What are you doing? Come here. Yeah. You said hi to me last time, didn't you? You're so cute. Yes. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode. And today I am back at the pond in the woods. Now my goal for today is to do better than I did last time. I came here in April and I backlashed my DC reel really bad. Hit the ground or a cattail, it does that. I caught a pike. Got him. Boy, did he smoke it. A pike on a Texas rig. And I missed a pike. Come on, he's got it. Oh, he got off. No. No. Oh, wait. No, he didn't. Well, hopefully this time I'll go better than last time did. I've got 4 rods with me. I've got a rod with a whopper plopper, a spinnerbait, another one with a spinnerbait, and a Texas rig. I'm probably not going to stay on 2 spinnerbaits. I'll probably change it up as I go, but that's what I got for right now. Walk up to the bank, up here, keep running that spinnerbait. Might try that whopper plopper too. Oh, whoa. Right off the bat, he hit it on the whopper plopper. I don't even know what it is yet. What is it? What the? He's running right at me. Oh man. There's a, what the heck, a smallmouth. Look at that beautiful fish. That's the biggest smallmouth I've caught all year. Oh, on the whopper plopper, holy crap. There he goes. Whew, that didn't take long. One cast with the whopper plopper and he just... That was crazy. Oh my God. Cast this back corner over here. He hit it right there. Whatever that is. Oh, he got off. No. Whatever that fish was, he's gone. That's all right though. Get another one. At the last second. There's a pike. There. Whoa, what the heck? Whoa, what the heck? There's another pike. God, he blew up on it. Second pike of the day. Well, hey, you guys, guess what? So far, I have beat my goal. I wanted to do better than last time when I just caught a pike and missed a pike, and so far I have. Switch it up to that to that green pumpkin spinnerbait. There he is. Oh, something tried to hit it. He got it that time. He got it that time. Ooh, that's a smallmouth. He's running right at me. Oh, just kidding, it's not a smallmouth. It's a nice largemouth. Oh, stop flopping. Let's get him back in there. Crap, I don't want to. There, I guess I'll just toss him over. There he goes. When I went to grab him, you know, he was flopping. He got me with the hook on my spinnerbait, but you know what? That's okay. It's fishing. That was awful. That was like the worst cast I've done all year. What the heck was that? Dummy. I'm gonna see if I can't cast over there into the shade. That was better. He's got. That took me by surprise. What is it? Is that a little pike? Is that a baby pike? Yes, it is. Just a little pike. Gotta get him unhooked. Gotta get him unhooked. Gotta get him unhooked. No, oh no, he came off. Look at that tiny little pike. Okay, I'm gonna head over there and fish. And some of you guys were wondering, when I backlashed that DC reel, why didn't I do an overhand cast? Well, that's why, because of the trees. I just did it again. God, that sucked. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to cast over here. I'm not. I'm gonna have to pitch. Get out of my hair, bug. Dude, get that fly out of my hair. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here we go. Right at the last minute too. I was reeling that spinnerbait, or I was reeling that spinnerbait back with a slow retrieve, and he hit it. Here, you know what? I'm not even going to show the other camera. Just show this one. Get him back in the water. Catch and release all day, right, you guys? You know, do me a favor. Leave a comment down below. Do you guys ever keep your fish? Like, keep them to eat? I don't ever keep bass. Bass aren't good to eat. The only thing I really do is I will keep like walleye or panfish in the winter. I release all my bass. Wind's picked up, but that'll be all right. Walk up onto this dock and see what I can do over here. Right there. He hit it good. Whatever he is, he's fighting hard. Largemouth with some grass. Just a little guy, but still a beautiful fish. Look at that. That piece of wood that's in the water. I went past it. And now I'm stuck on it. So what I did is I tied on a Texas rig, tried to fish it, fished it for a little bit, didn't catch anything, nothing happened. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk back this way, cast that 1/2 ounce green pumpkin spinnerbait a little bit as I go down that way, and then I gotta get out of here. Ooh, did I get one try to hit it right there? Did he just try to hit that? I wasn't even paying attention. Yeah, he did. Yes, he did. Came back for it. Smallest bass, smallest bass of the day. Yeah, I know. You don't got to tell me. You want to go back to your home, and trust me, that's where you'll go. Okay. Yeah, I got to work at 1 today. Yeah, it sucks. Crap, the GoPro just fell over. Of course. What would a video of mine be without the phone ringing? It's got to be right when I'm rigging a bait too. I got to get packed up. Wish I had more time to fish, but it is what it is. Give me a second. Let me load this car. Then I'll talk to you guys after I'm all situated. All right, you guys, that is going to be it for me for the day. I caught some fish. I had a good time. I got to enjoy this beautiful weather, but I have to go to work. And another thing, remember, I've told some of you guys, or I've told you guys that I have that smallmouth bass fishing trip coming up July 8th through the 16th. It's going to be in the UP. Upper Peninsula of Michigan. It's going to be up by Lake Michigan. Pretty sure it's going to be like Big Bay to knock. So I'm going to try and get a few of those videos for you guys and make them really good. But anyway, I got to get going. And as always, thank you for watching this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see all of you next time.